Hey, there they are. Glad to see you guys back here at the house. I have got another awesome video for you. Remember the new edition, the 2015 Mustang? That's right. Well, today, first mod goes on it. Let's get it right now. Yeah.
Oh dang, forgot keys. Raptor, no. Nope. Ha.
Let's get started, guys. What do you say? All right. Yeah, I've got a bunch of mods planned for this Mustang. This is just one of the first. We can do this. You can do it on yours. Even if you drive yours often, it's always good, especially you go on vacation, that sort of thing. Hey, it keeps the battery maintained. And that way, I mean, I've known people in the past that's like, yeah, I'll drive my car once a month just to charge it up with the alternator. Not good enough, guys, not good enough. This way it'll keep it maintained. It keeps it full, then it discharges it. It keeps it full and discharges it. It maintains the battery's health. So the battery on the 2015 5.0 is right here. It's underneath this shroud. And I'm guessing the previous owner probably took the little pins out. Should have had some clips in there, but it sort of holds itself down on there anyhow. It's just a little plastic shroud, and we're going to gain access to the positive and negative of the battery. So I'm going to open this up real quick, guys. I've already went through it and checked it out. One other thing to mention, I know you're probably thinking, well, if I need it charged, I can just roll my battery charger out there if it's got wheels on it, or I can just take this, pop the hood, hook it up, charge it, and remove it. Yes, you can, but that is a lot of trouble to continuously keep doing that. So what we're going to do is mount this to where it's always on the vehicle. So all we've got to do is run an extension cord, plug it in, and there'll be our charge right there. Okay. And this is the Ever Start. I've got links below to this. Got my ring terminals, which is a positive and a negative. Plugs into the charger right here on that. We're going to mount this charger somewhere down here out of the way, and we're going to connect this to the battery, and I'm going to run this end somewhere down inconspicuous where you wouldn't find it. It's not going to get in the engine, the serpentine belt, nothing like that. It's not going to come in contact, but I'm going to mount this to where I can just easily reach up under the vehicle somewhere and access this. So, but right now I think this is going to be, yep, 10 millimeter for both the positive and the negative. We're going to take that nut completely off and mount our ring terminals to that. We'll start on the negative first. You want to be careful you don't drop the nuts down in the engine bay anywhere, because instead of just loosening, you definitely have to remove it. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna set my ratchet out of the way. Now this is the negative, so I'm gonna take the black one and I'm gonna put it right on top right there. We'll remove the positive now. Guys, I just run into an issue on the positive right here. This does not come off. There is one right here, but you see on the negative, you've got the bolt right here for the connection to the ground. You don't have anything for the positive that I'm aware of. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see anything right there. It's just crimped and it's a solid connection. So I've got to figure out how to make this connection here, or you could put an alligator clip on it. But what I'm going to do is notch my ring terminal to be sort of like an open end crow's foot, I guess you'd call it, and I'm going in here. So I mean, worst case, it won't work. It's no big deal. Cut it open like that. Now we're going to pull off some more of this right here. Okay. Yeah, that'll slide right up in there. All right, you see it right here? It just pushes right up in there. Just like that. Over to the side. Now we can tighten it down. So you can see how I mounted it. I'll get really close. Now we'll just run our wire outside of this box under here, and I'll probably put the charger up here somewhere. I'll go ahead and show you that the EverStart is a 4-amp charger, okay, and it is waterproof. So anything in the engine bay, you can wash your engine, go through puddles, it will not hurt it. So it's almost like a marine type charger. It is waterproof. So the EverStart Max, that's your go-to right here. Got a magnetic connection right here to help it mount. Also, you can hook a strap to it here. It's got mounting points here for screws and that sort of thing. I'm gonna probably use zip ties to go through this to hold it. But I tell you, it's cool. Like right here, the magnet. Yeah, so if you're just wanting it to sit up somewhere temporarily, that magnet will really hold it from sliding off. I like that. So the best place I found right here is down near the windshield washer fluid. So I'm gonna connect that with zip ties down in there. And I lifted this box up right here, the fuse box, so I could get my wire through here. And I'm gonna connect it to this. It's just a plug and play when I'm ready. And hide this down in here. This will pop back down in here like that. So that'll hide, just hide some wires. Let's plug it up. So we take this cover off and it just stays connected to that. We plug it in just like this. Okay, and you can, they made some slits in this so I can still hide this wire just like that. Come around. There's all kinds of ways that we can hide this wire. I may even unplug it, come under this big wire right here. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Okay. Let's see, push it up under there. Yeah, you'll never even know it's there. Cool. Okay, so you can't see any wires there. Nothing really there. Got it mounted right down there with 2 zip ties. Perfect. All right, so I ran the cable up through here, and I can tuck it back and just keep this right in here. The worst it'll do is fall down in there, or I can put a zip tie up here, which I probably will do. And the thing about it is, guys, that I ran into is there is nowhere under this Mustang, short of having to drill a hole in the plastic on the bottom to run that plug out of right there, that electrical connector. There is nowhere on the bottom to pass anything through, and that includes the wheel wells. Nothing, nowhere, and I'm not cutting on the Mustang. So I had the plan of having the hood stay shut, and I could just connect my electrical connection somewhere down here, and like I did on the Raptor. I'll show you. You can see the extension cord. Let's go up under here. See that right there? It's hung down, but you can't see it. When I disconnect the extension cord, you can't see it. So that way I never have to open the hood on the Raptor to charge it up. You just got to make sure that the extension cord is disconnected before you get in and drive off, or you'll have a bad day. And now I'm gonna connect it right here to the extension cord, which will sit right there perfectly. Run the cable out over and plug it into your household outlet in your shop or wherever. Follow our cable back, look down at our charger, and it is charging. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, the exact way it came off, there's some little pegs in the back that will go in there just like that. And I think I'm going to order some little pegs right here, little push pins, because whoever took that off didn't put those back. Now I just want everything to be secure, but there's no wires laying around, and now you have your charger doing what it should. And the last thing is, I've already made sure the hood will close all the way with that there, or I advise to sort of leave it cracked like that. It's no issue at all. You can close it all the way, but that means you just got to go pop it when you disconnect and ready to drive the Mustang. All right, there it is. You guys will not be sorry that you clicked on that link, you ordered up your charger, and you're maintaining your battery, especially if you don't drive it a lot. Like, I mean, I might drive mine once a month, the Raptor also. So, you know, it's one of those things you want to keep the proper maintenance on changing the oil, battery charging, everything, especially if you don't drive them. So, and it's open to interpretation, guys. You might say, well, I want my hood closed. Close the hood. It will close. I want the alligator clips on where I can just quick release, remove the whole thing. You can do it. So it's all up to how you want to install it to make it as custom as you want, or quick release as you want, whatever. So my video is just sort of like a how-to, the way I do things. You guys drop comments below. Let me know how you run yours, if you run one at all. I'm Mike, AKA Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. Y'all know me. Let's go now. Catch y'all on the next one.